Right, so on my most recent project with the self-watering system, my soldering iron broke this way around, and I figured it was time to get some decent kit, because I've been soldering for years, mainly using this little thing. This led to the question about what do I actually need from a soldering station, what am I doing more frequently, and so I turned to YouTube for a load of ideas and ended up watching a whole load of videos on different soldering stations, and thought that it would actually be nice to consolidate all of my soldering kit into one box. This box. So after getting a whole load of inspiration from YouTube, mainly these three, I made a shopping list and ended up getting a whole load of stuff, and then designing the box to fit around all the stuff. So as you can see, I've made the thing, and however, there's so much footage from making it. I'm going to do a showcase video this week of this thing being done, and next week there's going to be a more in-depth how I made it, the process I went through to actually create it and fit all the things into the box. I had 3 guiding principles to design this thing, and they were, it had to be one box. I got fed up of carrying multiple boxes all over the place to do the soldering thing. Second, everything in it had to be secure, so that if I happened to turn it upside down or it fell over or anything like that, everything wouldn't just fall out all over the place. So you can turn this upside down and everything should stay in place. And for the third thing, concept of first order of retrievability, I didn't want to have to move things out the way to get to the other things behind it, because that's really frustrating. So in theory, you don't have to move anything to get the thing you want. Anyway, let's crack on with the video, and there's going to be some nice shots of this opening and closing and seeing all the things inside it. And if you want to see more of how I made it, then you need to subscribe to the channel, and hopefully YouTube will let you know when it comes out. But it should be next Friday.